Good evening. If you ever wondered why your phone slows down right after the new model drops, or why your printer runs out of ink even though it already had ink in the first place, you're not imagining it. Tonight, we're going to be talking about how companies continually get away with planned obsolescence in their products.
So, what we're talking about is companies deliberately manufacturing their products in such a way that they're more likely to fail. And this can manifest in three ways. One, they have cheaper parts that are more likely to break. Two, they're connected to online services. So, once the online service shuts down, the product essentially becomes a paperweight. And the third thing is making the product intentionally hard to repair using multiple different types of tools that most people don't have access to deter them from actually repairing their products.
Lisa, stop the racket. I'm trying to fix your mother's camera. Oh, easy. Easy. I'm gonna need a bigger drill.
Now, let me show you how this works. So this is my PlayStation controller charging station. Notice how the front charger doesn't work and the back one does, by the light indicating it. This looks pretty simple, right? But once you try to open it, ah! So yeah, I'm part of the problem.
Planned obsolescence isn't just about inconvenience, it's anti-consumer, anti-competitive, and quite frankly, anti-planet as well, as millions of tons of perfectly usable electronics are being thrown into landfills, and companies are heavily disincentivized from creating longer-lasting, better quality products, as a lot of their income derives from selling you products that break down just so you could buy them over and over again. But the real question is, who benefits from this? Not you.
So here's the breaking point. For the past several decades, companies have built multiple failure points into their products, and we as the consumers are just eating out of the palm of their hands. But now, people are actually starting to fight back. Many countries all around the world are slowly passing down right to repair legislation, holding these companies accountable and making it such that they can't get away with treating the consumer like absolute garbage. And companies are being demanded from consumers even more than ever before. They're asking for longer lasting tech, schematics for how to repair their products, and for services to be not dictate how long these devices get to last for. And even then, independent repair communities outside of corporations are currently thriving. And this is where the power dynamic shifts. I know most of this has been doom and gloom, but there are some things that you can do as the consumer. The first thing you could do is to vote with your wallet. Don't be supporting companies that intentionally make their products hard to repair or are known to shut down their products via software updates. The second thing you could do is genuinely inform yourself in terms of how do I fix my own devices by going on websites like iFixit and learning about how to fix your own things. This also goes for supporting local repair shops within your area if you're too uncomfortable to repair your own things. And the third and final thing would be to be politically involved. Go look at your own government websites and learn about whatever right to repair legislation bills are being passed within your area. And if nothing's going on, be the change that you want to see within the world. You could be the very first person to push right to repair bills, because that ultimately benefits all of us. And the most important thing is to keep asking questions. Never stop asking these trillion-dollar companies questions about their own products, because the moment you're focused on them, they will be less confident to pull stunts like this in the future. And maybe, just maybe, we could live in a world where whenever your product breaks down, you don't need to buy your own products. Thank you, and have a good night. This has been Campus News. I am your lovely anchorman, Taha. Thank you for watching, and may your devices last a bit longer than mine.